Here at Lloyd Approved Cars Kelso, we are pleased to present this Audi A3 1.4 TFSI S Line, finished in Vegas yellow exterior paint, with 18-inch, 10-spoke, diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic LED headlights, power folding heated door mirrors, privacy glass, and on the rear we can see the LED tail lights. As we enter now beneath the tailgate, you can see the rear folding seats and the load space liner. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the Black Leather Alcantara seats with Isofix child seat mounts and the second row climate vents. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the sport seats, which as you can see are in fantastic condition. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the hands-free and mobile controls, gearshift paddles, the gauge cluster with the trip computer, and the cruise control stalk. On the display we have satellite navigation and DAB radio. Audi Drive Select. As we come down to the centre console, we can see the 2-zone climate control with the heated seat buttons and the stick gear shift. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.